welcome back. But I want to explain what happened with me this year. Now I am not truck driver because I bought this car and now I'm working like driver on this car. And I think now I starting showing my job on this car. I don't know. Maybe it's not real interesting for you like on the big truck in Europe. I don't know driving to England. I will driving on here, on Europe, French, Italy, Spanish, and Denmark, Germany, of course. Guys, I can deliver for you everything in Europe. If you need something delivery, you can call me. You can find my number, WhatsApp and mail in description below. I want to say thank you for company Duvenberg, for experience, for good team, for a good job. My driver way starting from Duvenberg, and it's a nice company, and I want to say thank you for company Duvenberg for my experience and for everything. Now I will trying building own company and will showing for us, for you, everything what happened in my life. Now I showing for you my car. With this car I can deliver 10 euro pallets. It's not so big, but it's enough for earning some money. It's not old car. It is for this car only 3 years, and its car has very good conditions and very comfortable for living, almost like in truck. Now I'm showing for you inside of this car. I think you will surprise. It will surprise for you how really nice this car looking inside. Let's go. Guys, here I sleeping, here I'm driving, here I'm eating. I can transformation my bed. Guys, here I have a heater and heater control. Here I just turn on and I have 22 degrees here inside, and it's really comfortable. I can sleeping in when outside very cold, like today 2 degrees below zero, and for me here very comfortable like in the truck. And also here my food. Also here everything for cooking. Here too all my food. And I have 2 boxes here for different things. Here all things for car. There are 2 my food. I don't know what's showing more. Here too I have boxes. One from other side I have other blocks from other side. Now I'm showing like here. I have a lot of space for my stuff, and too I have something put here in this side. Look, it's bad for two drivers, but I driving alone, and my old stuff stay there here. Really, on this small car, a lot of space for one driver. This car looks not so big like inside, but really inside enough space for living. Sometimes I can live in this car 2 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks, but it's comfortable spending time here. It's maybe in big truck a little bit more space, but it's different things like bed behind driver seats, like in truck. Yes, it's a little bit smaller, but I can transformation this bed in a table and working here, make video for you. I can working with laptop a lot of time because I have these things. I can turn on there, and it's working very well. This car can take 10 liters per 100 kilometers. It's really efficiently, and I can deliver 1 ton. I can deliver on this car. It's too nice, and I can driving little bit faster than trucks, and can drive more kilometers per day. Now I'm showing for you how it's look inside here, and what I'm delivery. I coming here in Denmark from Poland, and my delivery place here. Tomorrow I will delivery, and I think you see my unloading in next video, and I will showing all my unloading and loading on this car. Guys, I really happy come back. I like this. I like showing my life. I like trucking. I like driving. Let's go, guys, watching all my videos. I think it will be maybe more interesting than on the truck, because this car, because on this car I do little bit more job. It's more job, more interesting, moments in my life. Let's go, guys. Let's go do it. Let's go driving. See you in next video. Bye.